This professor is making us write journals on that, and damn, he making you a philosopher now. Um, well, oh my goodness. Boba Deswa.
Blah.
No, so close. I like
I got
philosophy though.
it.
Yeah, philosophy is chill. Like my philosophy teacher was actually pretty chill.
Mm.
Like he gave us the answers to our exams. He's like, now go home and be free. I'm
Be
like, hey,
free.
this teacher is cool. This teacher is cool. Oh well, all our teams did. Oh, it's the hamster.
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 I got the Farah. Well, if you got the Farah, we should go.
Oh no, they have 2 tanks.
It's fine.
No, because the tanks are going for me. And even the Sombra. We can't heal. No!
Oh, I could have gotten the. Hey, she just makes us do too much. That's the problem. For example, I just finished the assignment. She wanted us to find 3 articles that reference our rough.
Oh my god. You are
Then we
talking
had to
so
cite each
fast.
article, cite sentences from the article that relate to the autobiography, and then write about why we chose it. Oh my god, dude. Your teacher
Ow.
sounds like a boomer. They can't just be like, why, why do you choose to learn this language? You know, like, breaking, breaking three.
I'm trying really hard to keep you alive.
It's fine. It's just like the tanks. Ah, uh, we have. It's the. She's a brunette. Nah, dude. Shit, no brunette, dude. That's a boomer. That'd be pretty annoying though, cause like, dude, I don't like. Why does it have to be that difficult? Like, why can't like? Why can't it just be like, oh, what did you like? What did you
Ow.
learn from English class? What else do you want to learn about this subject? You know?
Nothing else, just the language.
Because it's
Nice. We got this. Caref.
oh, thank my God, my savior. Never
No!
mind. So many. There's literally so many people there. They really hate me. And it's all not even in the state. Ah, I see. But still, though, like, There's like so much stuff that she could do. Like besides that, like if you're bilingual, what did you learn? You know, like was it hard? Like just like a few questions. Like just like a few questions and that's it. Doesn't have to be like that difficult. Making people's lives harder. That's crazy. Dude, at my other school, language professor, we just learn about politics. Wow. I wanted to cry. Oh,
Ah.
nice try, Buttercup. Really? Mauga?
Yes.
That's why I did politics. I don't really care about politics either. Like, man, can't they just like chill with the English class? Like, just make it chill. Then you'll be the best teacher.
Fuck. He knocked me into a bomb.
Oh, I didn't know that you could teleport that far. I thought you'd be teleporting next to the left side, but yeah, well, just have to hold for a bit.
Don't die. Don't die, people. I got it. Got this bitch too.
Nice.
Let's go!
Nice.